There are a couple different ways you can use CoWriter on your iPad. I'm going to start by showing you how to use the CoWriter app up here. So I'm going to open it up and I'm working on something already, so I'm going to choose it. And your home button is where you'll find all of the papers that you're working on. And your title is automatically saved as the thing that you've written on the very top of your page. So I want to add some more text in here, and I'm writing about, as you can see, Mae Jemison, who is an astronaut or was an astronaut and was the first Black woman to travel into space. I'm going to add a sentence about her. And when I start typing, my CoWriter predictor pops up at the bottom with blue tile, so you can see with the blue background. She wanted, and that comes up for me, so I can choose it, to become, comes up again, an astronaut. And that's a hard word to spell, but I know I can hear the A, astronaut, I can hear the S, and it pops up for me as the second word, so I'm going to choose that, astronaut. So she applied, comes up, to, and I'm going to spell NASA. It's capitalized, but I'm just going to start with a regular lowercase n, and look at what came up in the list on the end, NASA. So she applied to NASA. So that is how you can use CoWriter in the app. When I'm finished with my paper, I need to share it. I'm going to go up to the top of the screen where there is a Share button, and I'm going to choose my Google Drive. You need to be logged in to use your Google Drive. And as you can see, it is sharing to Google Drive, and it's asking me to wait while it does that. Another way I can share my work with my teacher is to, again, use that Share button. And in this time, I'm going to press copy. And from there, I'm going to go into a Google document. I'm going to make a new one, a new document. And I'm going to title it Mae Jemison. I'm going to create it, and then I'm going to touch the screen until paste comes up, and then I'm going to paste in my text. Now I have all my text in a Google Doc, and I can share that with my teacher. The last thing I wanted to tell you about is the reason why CoWriter is so smart at predicting words is because it notices all of the text that I've written, all of the words on my page, and it sees what I'm writing about. It knows that I'm writing about an astronaut, and it knows that NASA is a part of that. So when I go to type the word astronaut, it actually predicts it for me with just a couple of letters. So you can see it pops up again. And that's what makes CoWriter such a great tool to use when you're writing. Thanks for watching. Bye.